Hey, what up, guys? Patrick Perfect here. Welcome you to my YouTube channel, Patrick Perfect Presents. And if you're watching this video on TikTok, welcome you to my TikTok page, Patrick Perfect Presents. Now, welcome to another episode of our weekly Forex market outlook. Okay, we do this every week. I come on here to analyze the chart and I give you my perspective, my trade idea in the forthcoming weekend, how I'm going to be taking the opportunities I call out here. Okay, so I do this every weekend. I post my analysis every Monday morning. If you've been following me, you can see that we've been consistent and it has been good so far. All right, now moving forward, I'll be doing a top-down analysis on XAUUSD gold, as some of you may know it. I'll be doing a top-down analysis on EURJPY and also EURUSD. Alright, this is going to be the shortest market outlook video I've ever created. So if you're watching this video, sit tight and let's enjoy. Okay, now before I move into analyzing the charts, I want to introduce my Telegram channel to you all watching this video. Alright, when I come on here to do my market outlook every week, I also come on here inside my Telegram channel to post setups that I will be trading. Okay guys, so I do this every week and I post my day trading setups every day or any day I see an opportunity. Okay, so if you're watching this video, do well to join my Telegram channel. This is my Telegram channel. Do well to support us, do well to give this video a like, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you've seen this video on TikTok, do well to give me a follow and let's all go together. All right, now with that being said, let's dive into a market outlook for this week. All right, the pair I'll be starting with is XAUUSD, and this is my monthly, this is my weekly time frame pattern. Okay, so it is very simple. All right, it is very simple. Overall, we know XAUUSD is bullish. Okay, even a 5-year old can tell this price action is bullish, but right here we are in a nasty range and this has been on for quite some time now. Okay, but regardless, we still trade the market, we still come on here to analyze and find trading opportunities. All right, now I during our previous market outlook video, we did anticipate a drop on XAUUSD. I did map out this level right here for price to eventually come and grab some liquidity, and then we have this level in the middle that I also looked out for. Okay, and this was a bone of contention for me, this middle level, and eventually we broke that level and now we're trading above this level. All right, so with what I'm seeing on my chart, I can tell you for free that gold is still strong bullish, and in this week we are still going to be looking for more buying opportunities on gold. Now on a candle by candle basis, we can see this bearish rejection, and then this pressure, this bearish pressure dropped this market to this zone right here, and we can see the bulls, like the momentum right here, the bulls stepped in and they reversed this market, closing bullish, and then this week that just ended closed bullish. Like you can see this with just this candlestick pattern, I can tell you that we are strong bullish, and for 90% of the time trading buys on gold this week, we are going to be profitable. All right, so with this candlestick pattern that I just showed you on XAUUSD, I'll then go down to my daily time frame to explain further what I'll be doing this week. All right, now I have a day trading system which I trade, and trading that system, it enables me to drop my trade setups on the Telegram channel, which I just showed you a few minutes ago. Okay, and this system is simply based up on candlestick. Okay, what is our candlestick telling us and how we can trade using the information presented to us by these candles. All right, now let me start from here. Okay, this is a morning star candlestick pattern. All right, we have this bearish candle, we have this one at the middle which seems like a rejection or indecision candle, and then we have this bullish engulfing candle. Okay, we experienced the market structure shift right here and we've been bullish. All right, now moving forward, we can see this market is creating higher highs and higher lows. We got this high right here, we got this low, we got this higher high, we got this higher low, we got this high that is beneath this previous high, and then we have this low that is higher than this previous low. So we can still say this market is still in structure. Okay, despite the fact that this candle did not produce a high higher than this, but it also did not take out the low of this candle. So we can still say this market is still in structure. And guys, looking at this candle, sorry about that, looking at how this candle closed, we saw a break of structure here and we continued this buy momentum. Now I'll map this level out for you guys where we experience this break of structure, and then I'll go down to my 4 hourly time frame to show you guys trading opportunities we can take on XAUUSD this week. All right, now experiencing this break of structure, we produced this high, price came back here to give us a higher low, and then it has created a higher high. Okay, very simple. We go down to our 4 hourly time frame and I'll show you guys how we're going to trade this market. All right, now looking at my 4 hourly chart sky, you can see we are still in structure. Okay, price is still trading above this resistance bar right here, so we are still in structure. All right, so how are you going to be trading this market? We simply wait for price to clear this high, and then you wait for a pullback before entering this market. But with my day trading strategy, I am going to be dropping setups for you guys as the market opens on Monday. Eventually, if I get a setup, I'm going to drop it for you guys. I cannot actually tell you guys or show you guys what is going to happen because the market have not unfolded. Okay, it needs to unfold for me to show you how I'll be trading this market. All right, but looking at this chart and giving you an heads up on what to expect this week, just know that we are strong bullish on XAUUSD and you should look for more selling opportunities on gold. All right, you can see this chart pattern here. We have a high, we have a low, we have a higher high, higher low, we have a higher high, higher low, we have this higher high, higher low, we have this high, and the market failed to take out this previous low, and then the market is still printing bullish candle. So guys, I don't know the kind of system you trade, but just know that in this week we're going to be buying gold more. All right, if you buy gold more this week, guy, I promise you'll be more profitable, guy. With these patterns I'm seeing and candlesticks I'm seeing, you'll be more profitable than taking sales. Right, with that being said, let's quickly look at EURJPY and then we look at EURUSD last. All right, now looking at our weekly time frame, we can see that EURJPY is strong bullish, and I'm anticipating for this guy to come to this level here, this high that we have right here, and seems like we are very close to it. But we had a massive rejection last week, or should I say last 2 weeks, and the market is still looking bullish. Okay, so for this week and moving forward, I'm still anticipating more buys on EURJPY back to this level. All right, now going down on my daily time frame, we we do have a market structure shift that happened here. Okay, and now price seems to be bullish, heading for this high that we have right here. Let me map that out for you so you can see. We have this high right here. So after this market pulled and produced this high, we had this massive drop, and we have a market structure shift right here. This market dropped down, and guys, we failed to continue in that bearish momentum, and now this market is bullish. Okay, so moving on this week, we anticipate this market to clear this level right here, and then we continue with our buys. Okay, this looks like a neckline. We expect this market to clear this level, and then we continue buying. So how are you going to be trading EURJPY? Now, I don't know what system you trade, but for me, as the market opens on Monday, I'll be coming right here to look out for trade opportunity using my day trading system, and I'll be sharing that on my Telegram channel. Alright guys, I'm not capping here. Alright, do want to join that Telegram channel so you get to see me trade real time. Alright, I don't just come here to just cap for you guys. Join that Telegram channel and see for yourself. Alright, so we have this double bottom right here, and price is trading at this resistance right here. Now we expect price to take out this resistance because, guys, from a higher time frame we are bullish on EURJPY. Okay, but if price doesn't take out this high and price start coming down, then look out for this, for a market structure shift right here before you start taking sales on EURJPY. Okay, wait for price to clear this low, and then you can start taking sales. But for now, I'm anticipating buys on EURJPY. Alright, with this minor trend playing out right here, we produce a high, we produce a low, we produce a higher high, and I'm optimistic that this market may produce a higher low right here, or maybe an equal low, and then we still get the chance to continue in this buy momentum. Alright, now moving on to the last pair for this week, we have EURUSD. This is one of my favorite pairs, guys. I don't know about you, but EURUSD is my guy. Alright, now looking at EURUSD, guys, this guy is somewhat confused, so you need to trade this guy with sense. Looking at the weekly time frame, guys, you can see this structure is bullish, right? And something happened when we got to this level right here. We saw this massive rejection, and this looks like a double top right, and this looks like a reversal for me. This market came right here, came to this low right here, and this looks like a liquidity grab for me, and now we're looking bullish. Guys, what do you think about EURUSD? For me, I'm still bullish on this guy, EURUSD, but I have my reservation, as I'll be showing you my reservations as I go down to my lower time frame. Now on my lower time frame, guys, you can see that this market seems to have taken out this, broken above this neckline, right? We have this double top right here. We experienced this break, and this market pulled here. You know, during my last market outlook, I anticipated a sell on EURUSD from this level back down to this level, but that didn't happen. We got this break above this level, and guys, when this break happened, I started calling EURUSD buy. Alright, you can go check my Telegram channel. We took a buy on EURUSD and we smashed TP. Alright, after experiencing this break. Okay, so moving forward, I'm still anticipating more buys on EURUSD. Okay, now how will I be trading EURUSD? What is the setup I am looking out for? Now this is a resistance bar, a support bar that turned resistance right here, but it didn't hold as a resistance. Alright, so it broke above it, so we expect price may come back to this level right here, and we can continue buying. If that doesn't happen, then we simply wait for a market structure shift to happen right here, and then you look forward to taking sell straight back to this level. All right, this is my outlook on Euro USD, on EURJPY, and on XAUUSD good. Thank you so much guys for watching. My name is Patrick Perfect. If you're seeing this video on TikTok, do well to give me a follow and do well to like my video. I really appreciate you guys. The support has been massive. All right, if you're watching this on YouTube, please give this video a like and do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. I wish you guys a consistently profitable week. See you next week.